YouTube, y'all already know who it is, and I'm back again with another video. I got a little bit of a guest with me on this one. Come on this side because you can't see you.
I'm my dad's son. Name, this is Nathan, right?
Okay.
Right here,
Why you trying to make it your YouTube video? Nah, bro. This is my YouTube video. And your shorts, everything just looks all messed up. Boy, you gotta change your clothes, man. You gotta change your clothes.
We got the.
Excuse us, cause we just got back from a very far drive, and we haven't had much sleep. So yeah, looks like I got a really big.
From my dad's car.
Yeah, got a really big surprise for you guys on this video. I'm taking delivery of my motor.
And then.
For quite some time, but it's never too late, I guess. Never too late, man. Never too late. So you can see it's sitting right there.
And after this, we're gonna get the green car running.
We're gonna do what?
We're gonna get this green car running, and you see it doing burnouts, and doing donuts and stuff.
Burnouts and donuts. Wow. So y'all hear it from him. I get it running. When I get it running, I break it in. I gotta do burnouts and donuts, I guess. So yeah.
That's what monster trucks.
Yo, y'all gonna have to excuse me for 1 second, but this is beautiful. What I'm looking at right here is getting ready to bring me back to life, man. Really, like, I've been waiting so long for this, and I had to go through a lot of mishaps and whatnot. Wasted a lot of money, but in the end, I got it all figured out, worked out with somebody else. However, they took very good care of me. It was very transparent with me. It cost me a little bit more money because I had to fix everything that somebody else did wrong, but that'll be a different video. I'll talk about that later. However, this thing just looks gorgeous, man. I just unwrapped it now. So this is the wrap that it had on it. It was saran wrapped to the pallet, plus strapped down, plus I had a tarp over top of it just in case we run into any elements, any rain or anything like that, which we did. But other than that, man, this thing looks like it's ready to make 1,000 horse, almost. So we'll see. Got the BPA turbo manifold on there. 42 is a G42 1200C turbo. I'm gonna have to do some work with the downpipe, get that really good. It's gonna have to pretty much, like, I don't know how we're gonna have to get it to work, but super close. But we got it, so yeah. Now I'm probably gonna try to take this thing out, put it on the engine stand, but that means I gotta move the hoist out, the toolbox out. I gotta move that engine out, get that engine out, probably push the car back or something. So I got a little bit of work I gotta do today, but I'm gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. I gotta get this off this pallet, off this trailer, get the trailer back to U-Haul and bring it inside so I can finish putting it back together, really. So, yes sir. So here I'm trying to move a lot of things around. I got one of my spare motors sitting on my engine stand that I'm probably gonna use. I'm gonna put the good motor, this is a good motor too, but put the motor that's going in my car on the engine stand. So I'm gonna take this one off with the hoist. I'm gonna bring this motor in with the hoist, put it down, take this motor off the stand with the hoist, put that down, use the hoist to pick the built engine up and put it on this stand. There it is, that's simple. So yeah, I'll probably put you guys on the time lapse real quick and get that done, and then go from there. So I got her up on the engine stand, and this is how she's looking right now. I have the intake manifold and everything to put on still, parts up there, but I just want to give y'all a little bit of a look. Brand new built billet block, or not billet block, but you know, brand new built 3 liter with the billet mains, bicycle pistons, BC rods, G42 1200C turbo, BPA intake or turbo manifold. Sorry. Now I have R35 coils, but I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like the way that this looks without the cover on it. I think the cover can still fit, but I'm gonna try it and see. You know, I might just end up selling the R35s if these work out good for me. If they don't, then I'll put the R35s on, but if they work out good and I can make my numbers with these, I'll stick with these. But so far, so good. I'm liking the way it looks. Loving the way it looks. So one thing led to another, and this is how she's looking now. I started putting a bunch of parts on her. Started putting a bunch of parts on her. Intake manifold on, fuel rail on. I don't have injectors in the car yet, or in there yet. I gotta get the injectors. I'll probably grab them maybe in a week or two, or I'll order them, whatever. But it's pretty much there. I put the motor mounts on it. You know, I got a couple things here and there I need to still mess with. But other than that, she's pretty much good to go, ready to go in. So we'll see. We shall see. I'm trying to get this back in this car here, so I can be rolling again. There's a lot of stuff I gotta do to it still. The harness, the body harness, I'm relocating it. Probably gonna try to put the fuse box up under here somewhere. So I'm probably maybe work on that tomorrow as well. But my main focus is to get this motor in this car. Yeah, so I'll probably be doing that soon. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Listen, no intro today. We getting straight into business. I got my boy over here. You see what we got going on. Empty engine bay. This nigga over here. We got two 2Js sitting over there. One built one, one stock one. And we got this. I made a video on how to put the shifter on, but I think I deleted it on accident. I know y'all gonna hate me, kill me for that, but we got the clutch here. Tilton ST246 twin disc. Got the flywheel up underneath it. I don't really got too much to say. I'm just trying to get into this shit. It's been way too long that this car's been sitting without an engine in it and trans, so we're gonna try to fix that today. Ain't that right?
Yes, sir. You already know. That's what we do. We get shit done.
You heard that?
Lonnie.
Damn. Shot at high boost. Yeah, so with that said, man, I'll check back in with y'all after we get a little bit of progress, and yeah. Finally, man. It's been a long time coming. YouTube! What's good, YouTube? Y'all see what the hell we got going on? Like, comment, subscribe, and follow. Yeah. And we're gonna do the whole thing. We're gonna like. What's good, YouTube? I'm back. I got as much as I can get done. We're working on the car yesterday with as little time as possible that I had. So it wasn't really a lot of vlogging I could do. Just me, my homeboy, and a couple of my coworkers came to help out. But I didn't have much time. I was crunch for time because I had some family things planned for Sunday. So that's what we did. So we got everything that we can get done in a timely manner. You know, so I'm gonna show y'all what I went ahead and got done. I know y'all probably gonna be mad because I didn't really vlog it. I may have some clips from like cell phone footage that I could put in the video so you guys can see a little bit. But anyway, this is how far I got. Lens looks like it's a little messed up, but there you go. I got the motor in the car. I got the intake on it just to sit there, whatever. I got a lot of things I still need to button up. I'm probably gonna have to take the intake manifold back off. Fuel lines are not hooked up. This one's hooked up just because it was in the way. So I have that one hooked up. It's not tight or anything, but this is how far I got with this. Motor's in, bolted up already. Transmission is in and bolted up. I still need to put, let me see. I still need to put all my interior pieces pretty much back together, but this is how it's sitting right now. Yeah, so I had a video of me installing the shifter on my trans. However, I think it got deleted, so sorry, I don't have any footage for you guys on that one. Like again, I may have some cell phone footage I may be able to break out to show you, but I still need to wire up the gear indicator and all that kind of stuff. But this is how it's sitting right now. I got the shifter in. It's a sequential S1 sequential shifter on a JK40C or CD09 transmission. I can run through the gears real quick for you. It's in neutral right now. When it's like that, it's in neutral. So one up to take it out of neutral and put it in first gear. That's first gear pretty much. Is second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear, and then back up the gears. Fifth, fourth, third, second, first, and then a half click, and that's neutral. And then there's a lever that I have right here. You can't really tell because I didn't cut the boot yet to fit it. But basically when it's in neutral, I can pull this lever up and then pull this shifter back, and that's gonna put it in reverse. And you see, it won't move anymore because it's in reverse. So that's reverse right there. And then when I'm ready to take it out of reverse, I don't have to mess with the lever. I could just leave it. I could just hit it back up once, put it back in neutral, and then boom, back in first gear. So that's that for you. S1 sequential is in the car. Transmission is in the car. I gotta put my interior pieces back together. I got a few more things I gotta button up in here. It's a mess. I gotta take that door panel off, replace it, because I got the LRB door panels as well. So I gotta take that door panel off or whatever. I just got a bunch of like stuff, like radio stuff that I need to just clean up the wiring pretty much and whatnot. But I'll get to that when I'm putting the interior back together and everything is wired and set. Oh, I also got the wiring harness. I still have a shifter for my CD09. If I don't like the H pattern, or if I don't like the sequential, I'm gonna go back to the H pattern. But like I said, everything on here is pretty much in the car. I just need to put the wiring harness in, button the last few things up. I got the wiring harness right here from Tweaked Performance, so I'm gonna be putting that in the car as well. But before I do all that, I'm gonna button everything else up on the engine bay, make sure I put all the sensors and everything I need to put on it and whatnot. I need to relocate my my fuse box. I already pulled the body harness off. As you can see, there's no harness there, and the fuse box is gone. I already molded this and welded over it and had it painted, so the fuse box is not going back here. Probably gonna be running it through here, down, trying to put it up underneath the headlight right here, and then extend whatever wires I need to extend as far as like maybe the headlights, fog lights, and whatever the case may be. But that's what I have planned now, so I'm sorry I didn't really vlog everything or anything, if that, but I tried to do what I could with what little time that I had. All the parts just started coming in, and then, you know, I'm already busy, so when I'm busy or when I'm not busy, I just kind of just grab it and just start going at it, and I don't really pick the camera up and do everything I need to do. So yeah, it's real time consuming trying to vlog and do all this stuff when you're already busy at that, so you know. But anyway, wastegate gonna go here, other wastegate gonna go there, BPA turbo manifold, G42 1200C turbo. So like I said, it's a little bit more stuff I gotta do here and there, but nothing crazy. It's pretty much there, man. Just put the harness on, get intercooler piping done, get the exhaust done. I'm probably gonna have to take the intake manifold off again so I can have the a 1J or a 2J flange for the idle air control valve, weld it to the bottom of that intake manifold, so I can use the Ford Racing, I mean not Ford Racing, but the Ford IAC on the JZ intake manifold. So that's pretty much it. Blake's brakes are already bled. Clutch, I put the clutch and everything in there yesterday too. It was a Tilton 246 twin disc, ST 246 twin disc. Everything went smooth. Granite's kit was pretty good. I got the clutch line hooked up here. I need to go hook it up to the transmission now, or hook it up to the slave, and that's pretty much it. So again, guys, I apologize for not really being able to vlog everything and show you guys raw footage of us putting it in together. But if I have any footage through cell phone and stuff, I'll be more than happy to put it in a video. But you know, with that said, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I promise I'm gonna get back on this vlog and stuff, and I'm gonna start vlogging everything. I'm gonna make sure I take the time to put the camera up and create some more content for you guys. That was a lot of content I could have just, you know, put out, but at the end of the day, man, I'm not getting paid for this YouTube stuff, and I just do it just because I like to do it. However, when you're busy already and you don't have that much time, and you get a little bit of time here and there, you just pick up parts and just start throwing it in there. So I promise I'll get better at that. But with that said, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let's get the views back up like how they used to be. I'll talk to y'all on the next one. Peace.